Hi guys, what we have here are a couple of Samsung flat screen TV speakers. Now this is a 4K TV, a fairly modern one. I do notice they have the horn symbol for the bass output and a single speaker. Really, yeah, just left and right joined together. Some rubber mounting with some foam. There is only one way to take these to bits, and that is literally to unscrew them. So let's do it. There's 4 screws on the on the speaker basically, and I'll get these out as quick as I can because, as I say, the actual plastic casing is completely sealed, so there's no way physically to open the casing that I can see anyway. Well, without being destructive, that is. So there's 3 screws out, almost. And I'll try not to pierce the speaker with a screwdriver, that would be a good idea. I would imagine these could be made into good computer speakers. Wouldn't take much to rewire them and mount them on something. Okay, so screws are out. Let's see if we can get this. Oh, here we go. Easy as. And what do we have? We have a 10-watt speaker, 6 ohms. Fairly heavy little magnet on it. Yeah, quite a weighty little speaker, but yeah, that's a pretty small speaker. And inside, okay, let's grab a torch. Won't be a second. So we'll look inside of this thing. Okay. This is a bit difficult. So we have just a plastic molded case with, I don't know whether you can see that, but there's a little tiny bit of foam in there and a waveguide for the bass to come out the hole here. So that's it. Samsung flat screen TV speakers. What you see is what you get. And to be honest, it's not a lot, but yeah, I would say that would make quite a nice computer speaker if you wanted to mount it up and rewire it. Cheers, boys and girls and everyone else. See you next time from Kiwiland. Bye bye. Oh, and Nina the cat wants to say hello. Hello, Nina. Oh, she's busy. Cheers. Bye bye.